What to do, people? It's your boy JB. I'm just here to give y'all a little post, telling y'all to go on YouTube and check out my videos, my virals. You know, I've been keeping y'all updated on what I've been doing for this music thing. You know, trying to get my mixed CD out and everything. You know, mixed CD is called Love in the Club. It's got like 10 female joints, like female love joints. It got female bounce tracks. You know, everything for the females. It's pretty hot. And the second 10 tracks is like the club joints. I mean, females can listen to it too, but it's really, you know, it's more club bouncers and street music, you know what I'm saying? That's pretty much for the dudes, but you can listen to it both ways. I got songs for the females too that dudes can listen to, but it's going to be on my website soon. Y'all can download it for free. I want everybody, you know what I'm saying? All my Facebook people, you know what I'm saying? Everybody who just like listen to my music in general, whoever get this post or can hear this, you know, to go ahead and download it for free, you know, give me good feedback, you know, I need to do this. But you can go to JV Music TV. That's JVMUSIC TV on YouTube, and it'll pull up all my virals. I got stuff of me just being in the studio, you know, me just out and about networking, having regular life, you know, eating, you know. Got awesome videos of me, you know what I'm saying. On my last trip I just took to the Chi-Town and whatnot on my label meeting with a certain label, but I can't put that out there for you or whatnot, you know. And you know, me in the studio with my kin folk up there too, you know, and just videos of me, you know, doing some of everything, just living life, you know. So I want y'all to go check that out. JV Music TV. Go on on YouTube to check that out. And there's gonna be more videos gonna be posted. You know, I'm just gonna keep y'all posted all the time. I mean, wherever I'm at, what I'm doing big things, you know. I want y'all to be there to take this ride with me, you know. So I want y'all to do that for me. And I want to give shout out to all my people, all my fans who have been showing me support out there, you know. I appreciate it, you know. We can't do this without y'all. And if you've been knowing me for a while, you know, I've been probably doing this music thing for a while, so just come out and support your boy, you know. And on that note, I'm finna sign on out. Your boy JV. Be on the lookout for my mixtape. Peace.